Take a ride in the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.